Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc President Kaisham Meghachandra has welcomed the directive of Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the opening of national highways for public movement from March 8. Speaking to ANI regarding the security review meeting of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Mpcc President Kaisham Meghachandra said the decision to open the highways could have come earlier as there was BJP-led government in the state even before the imposition of residence rule. He said people in the state have faced lots of inconveniences and deadly incidents as government failed to ensure safety for people along the national highways. While commenting about Union Home Minister's direction to expedite fencing work along Indo-Myanmar border, Meghachandra said border fencing has been a long-standing demand by people of Manipur and it must be carried out without delay, so that influx of illegal immigration from conflict-torn Myanmar can be prevented.
The outcome, the decisions of the meeting is a very welcome step, and the free movement should be open from 8 March. No doubt that it is a very welcome. Previous government was also BJP government in the state. Why this decision was not taken earlier? It is in fact the people are suffering more than 21 months in the state. There was no free movement in the last 21 months. It's going to be 22 months now. And also regarding this fencing, border fencing, that is also good. This is the long demand of the people that the illegal immigrants infiltrating from the Myanmar country along the borders of Manipur, India, and during the Congress time, 9.214 kilometers have already successfully completed. So the step is also very good and positive. Step is welcome and it should be completed with time-bound manner. This is because of this factor, it's also the unrest situation in the Myanmar. We are experiencing a lot that these many illegal immigrants are there in the border area. Now still in Kamjong district, many camps are there near the Assam Rifle Force. They are all illegal immigrants coming from Myanmar. And the recent outcome of the meeting in Delhi, this is not a new, but it should be completed immediately. Otherwise, this chaos will continue in the state.